In this third video, I like to explain what is the interaction framework. This is the main idea in interaction between the user and computer in human-computer interaction. Actually, we already know about what is called core language, what is called task language. User using the language to achieve some task, that is said to be is a task language, and computer execute user task by means of set of instruction. Then such a instruction can be framed with the help of what is called core language. Okay, so we know these two language very well, but in order to achieve interaction framework action, and we need to know two more language, what is called input language and what is called output language. Input language actually it's a very simple language. Whatever computer can understand and whatever user very well can interact with input interface, and we want to specify such a language between system and user. What is output language is nothing but the system can be very clearly generate output that should be displayed to user in such a that it is very user friendly to system as well as user. Okay, that is output language, and this is the diagram for general interaction. Okay, so now what are the things happening when user interact with computer, and that is said to be translation between components of user system input and output. Okay, so here the task set of action can be articulated and fed in input of the system, and this input further feed inside this system by means of it has to achieve very efficient performance. Okay, so then the system execute user task, and he try to display output, so in such a way that it is very good presentation which can be further analyzed by user. Okay, so now this display presentation here observed by user, and his observation is good as he expect what the system has to do, then we can complete this task. Otherwise we want to feedback the expectation in this system through input. He further make a presentation, and user again see it. Okay, so this way this translation between component happen. Thank you for watching.